Top 7 Smartest Birds in the World. Bird intelligence can be challenging to measure and compare, as different species have evolved to excel in various ways. However, here are 7 bird species known for their impressive problem-solving abilities, tool use, and complex social behaviors. 1. African Grey Parrot, Psittacus erithacus. African Grey Parrots are renowned for their exceptional cognitive abilities and linguistic skills. They can learn an extensive vocabulary and use words in context, demonstrating a high level of understanding. 2. New Caledonian Crow, Corvus moneduloides. New Caledonian crows are famous for their remarkable tool-making and problem-solving skills. They can fashion tools from leaves and sticks to extract insects from tree bark or other hiding places. 3. Keyonenotabilis. The key, a parrot native to New Zealand, is known for its playful and curious nature. They can solve complex puzzles and have been observed working together to achieve tasks, showcasing their social intelligence. 4. Eurasian Jay, Garrulus glandarius. Eurasian jays exhibit cognitive abilities such as memory and problem-solving. They are known to cache food and can remember the location of hundreds of individual caches, even when they are hidden from view. 5. California Scrub Jay, Aphelocoma californica. California scrub jays possess excellent memory and are capable of planning for the future. They hide food in various locations and adjust their catching behavior based on the likelihood of theft. 6. Pigeon, Columba livia. Pigeons have demonstrated impressive cognitive abilities, including pattern recognition, navigation, and problem-solving. They have been used in studies related to spatial cognition and memory. 7. Common raven, Corvus corax. Common ravens are highly intelligent birds known for their complex social behaviors and problem-solving skills. They are excellent at adapting to different environments and finding food in various ways. These are just a few examples of the many intelligent bird species around the world. Bird intelligence can vary widely, and researchers continue to discover new insights into the cognitive abilities of different avian species. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.